What's going on, everybody? So it's Cornfed here. We got my twin Turbski 350Z with some velocity stacks to the bumper. We got some bumper exit exhaust. This whole kit was made by NIS Performance in Brooksville, Florida. They did a great job. They knocked this out for me in a couple weeks. Fully custom kit. We're here gonna get it on the dyno and see what it can do. So I'll keep you guys updated with how it does here shortly when we get it on the dyno. All right, so we got the Z about to go on the dyno. We gotta get a prediction from my boy Thomas Moeller over at West Coast Liners. What's it gonna make, bro? What's it gonna make?
On the side of the block.
All right. Well, shit. No, seriously, actual prediction. How much do you think it's gonna make?
Enough.
Enough? That's fair enough.
Enough to beat a couple Mustangs.
What you got in your hand, bro?
Let's say you're at.
All right, so we got the GOAT Martin loading up the car. Oh boy. Putting the car into the shop. Sheesh. I did do some upgrades. It does have twin turbos now. Sheesh. This shit is actually crazy. So here at Z Fever the second day, and you know, just stock block, 692 fucking horsepower, and it's hot as shit in here as well. Fuck.